Hey, you okay?
I'm having trouble training the new guy. He used to work for a competitor, but he keeps treating all the customers like they're children.
I hate when brands do that.
This here is a macro photography lens. Macro makes little things look really big, like a magnifying glass.
I know what macro means. Just please focus on what I'm asking.
Focus, right. This lens has a great shallow depth of field. Shallow depth of field.
I know what depth of field means, all right? I've been around since hyperfocal and infinity were a thing.
It's okay to be upset sometimes. When I'm upset, a good cry makes me feel better.
I'd like to speak with your manager.
No problem. Andrew!
Hi.
Ha!
Oh no, I better go take care of this.
XF80mm f2.8 needs no explanation.
You're right. It is nice to cry sometimes.
Yeah. So you gonna buy something?
I'll take one of everything.